Today we're going to have a look at the tumble dryer. It's sad news, I'm afraid. The tumble dryer has broken. But don't worry, we are going to fix it. So let's strip it down, have a look, see what we can do. So I come home from work and I could hear that the tumble dryer was on, but I could also hear it going bang, bang, bang. It was still working, everything looked fine apart from this noise, bang, bang. That sounds like some kind of bearing motor related issue. So this is an Indesit IS60V. It's a good few years old now, but I would expect it to last longer, so we shall keep it going as long as we can. And yeah, you can see here, all of this is iron filings. See, there we go. It's obviously worn all the way through from years of drying. Let's order a new one of them. New part has arrived. You can see here it should be completely circular like that, whereas one that we've taken off obviously is worn all the way through, which is quite impressive. So we'll get this on, make sure it's got a lot of grease on there and stop that happening again.